If you want to apologize, Jerick Silva, about his girlfriend, do not criticize his girlfriend, because this is your fault. For me, Shania Kiana, this is our fault too. Me, I may fake account of Teacher May or Ate Dina, or my mom scolded me. That will never happen again. While I convert in Islam, I never make fake account in Facebook. Just like I did from Robin Padilla when he was arrested in of possession of firearms, illegal possession of firearms, and he was arrested. And he was detained in the prison. When he talks to the prisoners who were Muslims, he changed himself, and then he talks to the who's Robin Padilla. Robin Padilla, that was a father of Kylie Padilla. And he was released by pardon by by who's at the pardon. I think he was being released in pardon in the time of Fidel B. Ramos. He converted to Islam. Like me, I converted to Islam. That I will never make fake account on Facebook. I will change myself. The CDIFI teacher says to me, you should convert in Islam. Don't do that again. Don't make fake account on Facebook. They said to me, even Teacher May said to me, you should convert Islam. Don't do that again if you make fake account. Don't harass me. Don't add me in the group chat. Don't get me a lots of stress. But Teacher May, she is very sick. She has a stage 3 colon cancer. That's what I said before. And I told to Jerick Silva, it will never happen again. You know that. Shania Kiana, don't do that again. If I were you, Shania Kiana, convert yourself to be Islam. I will teach you how to convert Islam. Shania Kiana, you read in Arabic, or you read in Quran. And when I was in Malaysia, in special education school, in 2014, I studied there. I learned Arabic. I learned Shahada, even Quran. That is a lesson from Teacher May in Orang Dampuan, or the lesson from Senator Robin Padilla. Shania Kiana, don't do that again to Jerick. If you want to apologize to Jerick Silva's girlfriend, then don't do that again. That's simple. If you want to urge you to convert Islam, do you remember Kroll Ramirez? When he was there in Saudi Arabia, he see all the people there, they're wearing hijab. Because they are Sunnis. Because I know I know that I said before from Kroll Ramirez. You see Kroll Ramirez says, Kroll Ramirez from CDIFI. He went there in Saudi Arabia with his family. They wear hijab, they wear keffiyeh. When Teacher May interview Kroll Ramirez in 2016, I talked to Kroll, when there's Ate Pura at the time. I talked to Kroll Ramirez, do you learn about Arabic? Do you wear about, does your mom wear a hijab or keffiyeh? In Saudi Arabia, they have lots of Islamic traditional codes. Keffiyeh, hijab, do you remember Arabic? But Kroll Ramirez doesn't understand Arabic. But me, I learn Arabic. Because I know that history lesson from Teacher May about Orang Dampuan, Arabic, even Mandarin. They came back from the words from Tagalog words, and even what's it in Tagalog words? Spanish, they use a Spanish language. They use that in Tagalog words because I know that is a culture for the Filipino people. if I were you, Shania Kiana, if you want to convert to Islam, oh, if you remember you want to speak Tausug, oh, you know Tausug, Jerick Silva knows about Tausug, oh, Maranao, oh, even Kawali Cronel convert Islam. He was founder of Kawal ng Inclusion. You know Shania Kiana. If you want to apologize to Jerick Silva and his girlfriend, do not insist Lily to take care of Jerick Silva's girlfriend because her parents did not accept it. Do not insist. That means, like I said before, wag mo kasi pilitin. Alright? You know, for me, I say to Shania Kiana, oh, don't convert yourself a born-again Christian because it will be hurt to Christian Mingito and Wawel Romero, Mark Pasione, and Paula Colin Nunez. It will be hurt. Oh, it's okay. I say to Shania Kiana, why can't you join me to convert Islam? Oh, that is a perfect for you to convert. Rather than saying that you argue at the Spedmotics, who were those children that close with Jerick Silva, kasi inaaway mo yung mga Spedmotics. You know, Shania Kiana, do not start the arguments. If you want to convert Islam, you must learn a morality, or like Miggy Labitag said, morality, morality, learn how to respect, learn how to understand, don't do that to Jerick Silva's girlfriend. Me, for what I did to Teacher Kel and her husband and her boyfriend Escal Penumbra before they are married. This is my fault for what I did to them. When I apologized to Teacher Kel and Escal Penumbra, sincerely, when I said before, because of fighting over the debate about politics, that you vote in 2022 election, either Bangag Marcos Jr. or Lenny Robredo. Well, I apologize to Escal Penumbra and Teacher Kel after the matter of the arrest of Rodrigo Duterte, because of Bangag Marcos Jr., I remember, I apologize, Teacher Kel and Escal Penumbra. But at that time, I will never bully them. I don't want to harass them. I don't want to criticize them. Escal Penumbra and I, we are friends forever. We are not actually enemies. We are friends. Unlike you, Shania Kiana, learn how to be friends to Jerick Silva and his girlfriend, and tell them that I will never do it again. That is simple when you make public apology. Don't do that again. If I were you, Shania Kiana, if you want to be a good person just like me, if you want to convert Islam, I'll teach you, say, Bismillah al-Rahim al-Wakbar Araman. That's the word. Kawali Coronel teach me that. At least Teacher May knows about that in Orang Dampuan. 2013. We discussed that in lesson when I was 16 years old in the class of Teacher May, 2013. We know that already. And I said before, Shania Kiana, don't do that to Jerick Silva's girlfriend. Don't give her a stress. Give her a public apology and you say about, don't do that again. Me, for what I did to Teacher Vincent, I made fake account in Facebook. I will never do that again. For what I did to Teacher Gia Malana, my mom scolded me again, and I said, I will never do that again to Teacher Gio Malana. Oh, in the past, 2021, in pandemic, for what I did to Luis Cabales, JD Biniegas, and Ronan Cayabyab. Oh, what did I did to them? Oh, I know I bullied them. I made fake account in Facebook. I will never do that again. Oh, this is hard to say. Shania Kiana, you are realize that you want to be baptized, to be born again Christian, and even Catholic. Oh, it will be hurt. It will be hurt by Kuya Bear. Oh, it will be hurt by by it will be hurt by Christian Mingito. Oh, it will be hurt. If you say born again Christian, or it will be hurt. It will be hurt for Wawel, Romero, Mark Pasione, and um, even who's that I remembered. I just want to mention their names in my in that old school in si Diayapay o Paula Colin Nunez. Oh, it's not good. Shania Kiana, if you want to be good yourself, if you want to be matured, if you want to be like that, oh, show a little respect, show good manners and right conduct. If I'm saying before, if I was on Shia Islam, I never harass Teacher Kel and Eskel Penumbra. I never want to make fake account, even Teacher May, Ate Dina, o I already stopped. Oh, for what I did to Teacher Vincent last 2021, for what I did to Luis Cabales, for what I did to JD Biniegas, what else? What I did to Ronan Cayabyab last 2024, what I did to Teacher Gio Malana, oh, it will never happen again. If you want to say sorry to Jerick Silva many times, then don't do that again. That's simple. Jerick Silva, I say again, Shania Kiana, your girlfriend made you a Facebook account that you have to say thank you, and then you insist yourself because over at Lily, you are insisting Lily to be adopted to Jerick Silva. If the Lily parents didn't decided yet or didn't accepted it, I just want to say, um, um, do not insist, Shania Kiana. Wag mo kasi pilitin. Do you understand?